I'm quickly going to show you the best way of installing the ball stud into the ball cup while making sure it's free and not damaging the parts in the process. So what you do is you just pop the ball stud into the HUDY Multi-Tool. You tighten it in there if you want. You take the ball cup, in this case the optional ball cup, with a dot facing upwards. If you're using the standard ball cup, do it with the shiny part to the top of the ball, like this. But in this case I'm going to show you the optional ball cup. So let's see here. Let's pull it in there and crunch it together. That's a safe and easy way of installing the ball stud into the ball cup and maintaining free movement without damage. Quick and easy.